Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Today we'll be discussing the topic, can I get pregnant during my menstrual period? If you have sexual intercourse without using contraception at any time during your menstrual cycle, including during your period or just immediately you have finished your period, there's a chance that you can get pregnant. You can also get pregnant if you have never had menstrual period before for the first time, or during your immediately after your first period, or just after your first sexual intercourse. Pregnancy can occur at any of these given periods. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dr. Nkiruka Bridget at OBGYN Talks with Dr. Adazion. I discuss everything about women's health, children's health, and sometimes men's health. If you have interest in this, please subscribe to my page at OBGYN Talks with Dr. Adazion. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram with the same name, OBGYN Talks with Dr. Adazion. Do you know you can get pregnant even during your menstrual period? A common fertility myth is that you can't get pregnant when you are on your period. Why the odds of getting pregnant while you are on your period is lower, that does not mean that they are totally zero. They aren't zero totally that you cannot get pregnant during your menstrual period. If you are trying to get pregnant or trying to avoid pregnancy, it's better you learn how to calculate your period of ovulation, your fertile period, and when you are not ovulating. Because if you have some level of cycle length, it may affect the time you get pregnant. If you are still interested in how to calculate your ovulation period, please check our previous video on how to calculate your safe period, your ovulation period, and watch. You can actually get pregnant when you are on your period. Number one is this. Most women or some women see what we call ovulation bleeding. They will think it's the first day of their menstrual bleeding. And if peradventure you are part of the people that bleeds during their ovulation, and you think that is your period of you're seeing your beginning of your period, you see, when you have sexual intercourse on that day, thinking that it's going to be your day of menses and is your ovulation day, you get pregnant. You will get pregnant. So that is number one. Number two is that cycle length differs. Remember, we said the normal cycle length is between 21 days and 35 days. Now, there are some people that have short cycle length, and you decide to do sexual intercourse on the 4th day of your period, and maybe your period extends to 5th day, 4th and 5th day, and you do it. You are going to ovulate on the 7th day because you have a short cycle length. So you are going to ovulate on the 7th day. And if you have sexual intercourse, the sperm, from our previous video, we've made it clear that sperm can stay between 3 to 5 days, and some resilient sperm can stay up to 7 days. So if the sperm is deposited between that 4th day, it will stay the 4th day, the 5th day, the 6th day, the 7th day. The sperm may still be there waiting, and the next thing, you fertilize the egg that is released and you get pregnant, and you'll be like, that you thought that you did not do anything during your ovulation, you did it during your menses. You have seen, you deposited a sperm that waited. And if you are the type that have long menstrual cycle length of about 7 days, the day you are seeing your period is the day you are also ovulating, and you decide to do something around that, saying that you're not going to ovulate, my dear, you can see a sperm deposited is waiting to fertilize an egg that is going to be released that day. So you be careful if you have a very short cycle length. Some sperm can stay longer and we fertilize an egg that is released. So never say never. You can get pregnant during your ovulation. You can get pregnant during your menstrual period. So far, the sperm is there waiting to get fertilized. To fertilize an egg rather. So this is how you can get pregnant during your menstrual period. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please you can subscribe, share the video, drop a comment, and drop any of your questions. Like this video. See you next time. Thank you.